change your address on DraftKings, you can update it through your account settings or by contacting customer support. Here's how you can do it, a step-by-step guide. You want to update your address in the account settings. You will log into your DraftKings account on the app or the website, and you will navigate to account settings. On the website, you have to click on your profile icon, which should be in the upper right corner, and click on account information from the drop-down. If you're doing this on the app, you want to go to the menu, which has 3 horizontal lines, or your profile icon, and then you will click on settings. You should look for a section labeled personal information or address, and there you can enter your address details and save the changes. Another way of how you can change your address on DraftKings is by contacting customer support. If you cannot find the option to update your address manually, you can contact DraftKings customer support. You will go to the help center, select contact support, or you can just go search for it and then choose to chat, email, or call them and explain your request. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.